Okay, welcome back to Department of Political Education. Dear student, you can learn the various session of the business law, and also you can study under this session is offense and penalties under Foreign Exchange Management Act of 1999. So you can learn what are the in the offense or penalty in further. So dear student, you can remember foreign currency and foreign exchange or penalty from the unit of first subject business of law of third semester previous. So the major objective of this unit study, we are require the innovation and engagement with the whole community, including academia, emergency management, professional organization, and the private sector. The major objective outcome of this session, we are able to understand or to know the what are the penalty imposed on illegal and offense business related to foreign. Okay, so note the you can see the so many films under which smuggling, and it means then there is no, they were not taken any permission from the government, they can carry the business from the outside India. Okay, this is the offense or illegal. So offense under FEMA, offense pertain to transaction in foreign exchange only. The following are the offense are relevant to the FEMA. So first one, only a person authorized by the Reserve Bank can deal in foreign exchange. Next, no one can make a payment to person resident outside India without permission Reserve Bank. Next, no one received any payment from the from person resident outside India without permission of Reserve Bank. Next, a person resident in India cannot deal with foreign currency, foreign exchange, foreign security, or any immovable property situated outside India without permission of RBI section 4. Next, similarly, a person resident outside India cannot acquire immovable property in India without permission of RBI. Exporter of goods and services. Every exporter of goods and services is under any obligation to give deals to Reserve Bank regarding value of export, mode of payment, amount of payment received, etc. Repatriation of foreign exchange, where any amount of foreign exchange has become due or accrued to any person who is an resident in India, he shall realize and repatriate it or bringing back. Repatriate means bringing back such amount within the time specified by Reserve Bank. Contravention and penalties. If any person contravenes any provisions of this act or contravenes any rule, regulation, notification, direction, or order issued in exchange of the power under this act, or contravenes any condition subject to which any authorization is issued by Reserve Bank, be shall upon adjudication. Contravention and penalties. The following kinds of penalties. First one, tries the sum involved in such contravention where such amount is qualifiable, or up to 2 lakh where the amount not qualifiable. If contravention is continue every day, rupees 5,000 for every day after the first day during which it is continued. Contravention and penalties. The provision of section 14 are as follows. First one, civil imprisonment of failure to deposit penalty amount. Subject to provision of section 19, subsection 2, if any person fails to make full payment of penalty imposed on him under the section 13 within a period of 90 days from the date of which the notice for payment of such penalty is served on him to imprisonment. Show course notice before arrest and detention. Warrant for arrest if defaulter liable to abscond. Arrest warrant for a failure appear under notice under section 14 subsection 1. Power to other adjudicating authority to execute arrest warrant. Time limit for producing arrested person. Show cause notice before committing to civil person. Detection of person pending enquiry. Procedure upon conclusion of enquiry. Release. Period of imprisonment. Release not to discharge from the liability of arrears. Detection order can be executed anywhere in India. So dear student, you can learn more. You can refer the business law under K. Ashwatthappa and Sudarshan Reddy, business law K.C. Gaur, V.K. Sharan and Mukesh Sharma. So in this session also give the MCQ, under which first one under FEMA offence pertain to transaction in foreign exchange, transaction, transfer, all of the above. You can select the right one. No one can make payment to person resident outside India without permission of RBI, State Bank, Central Bank, all of the above. Select the which one is right answer. A person dash outside India cannot acquire the immovable property in India without permission of RBI. Resident, non-resident, both A and B, none of the above. Select the which one is right answer. Every exporter to give the details to Reserve Bank regarding value of export, mode of payment, amount of payment or received, all of the above. You can write the or select the right answer. If contravention is continuous every day, dash rupees dash for every day after the first day of during penalty, you can pay 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 or 7,000. Select the right answer. How many types of penalties under FEMA? 1, 2, 3 or 4. You can select the right answer. Contravention and penalties under the provision. Under provision 14, 15, 16, 17. Select the right answer. Civil imprisonment for the failure to deposit penalty amount under section 19 subsection 2, under section 19 subsection 3, under section 19 subsection 4, under section 19 subsection 5. Right, select the right answer. Okay, thank you students.